Welcome to this tutorial on adding a new post in WordPress, and we're going to be talking about hyperlinking and embedding and doing a bit of assessment as well. So we're going to call this example assignment. There we go. And we will now link out to a YouTube video and ask it to be summarized. So we can Command T, go over to YouTube. Not being very successful in typing today. And I'm going to search Shawnee Extra. And here's our fall edition.
Hello.
And I'm going to grab two things. We can link to this URL, or I can embed this video right directly into our post here. And I think that YouTube videos have a quick way to embed into WordPress. WordPress kind of has their own syntax. So what do I mean by that? First, we're going to hyperlink, then we'll embed. Hyperlinking is creating text on the page, so I can say, watch this video, and highlight this, and then I can click this link button, and that will insert my link that I copied over from YouTube. Undo. Go back to YouTube, and I'm going to copy this. You can control click and say copy, or right click and say copy, or Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac and copy. And then we're going here, and I'm going to paste in. Command V is paste, or Control V is paste. And now this is clickable text that will link out to my video. And then I could also say, or watch this video here. And here is how WordPress does it. They do a bracket, then YouTube equals, I'll paste in the URL, and then close bracket, and then that'll make the video appear on the page. I'm going to publish this so you can see what I'm talking about. So I've just published my first post, and we can then view the post here, and here's the title, here's the hyperlink, and here's the video. And then underneath you could have people leaving replies and comments to give feedback. So in our assignment we can go back and edit this post. Another thing you can do is go to your dashboard. Here's the dashboard. And this is kind of a welcoming thing that you can close out. Hide this screen. And this is what the dashboard normally looks like. So here you'd be able to do a quick post, or you can go back and edit posts and look at the statistics. This is super useful to see how many students or other teachers are looking at the things that you're posting. But we're going to go into this post and we're going to edit it. Click here to edit. Okay, so I'm going to say summarize the video in the comment section below. And the comment section is moderated, so you would have to approve it before it would go live on your site. So that's one way to do it, and then I can say update. So this would be similar to using an iNote and an eBoard, and I can say view the post again, and now we'll see that my text is now updated, and then below here they would be able to leave a comment, and it would say, you know, if they're logged in and they have a WordPress account, it would have their name here. If not, there's a first name, last name kind of field. Okay, so that is creating a simple assignment and leaving some feedback on WordPress. There are other ways to collect the assignments part of this, like if you wanted to have your students work on a Google form, and that you would get all of their data back on a Google spreadsheet, so you can kind of give them assessment there. You can have them work on Google Docs, and they can share the Google Docs. They could be posting on their own blogs, and you could have a link page that links out to all their own blogs linked up in this post. There's so many different ways to kind of collect and collaborate, sending the information around using the internet, wireless devices, that kind of stuff. So that's going to do it for this one.